there's an opportunity to go directly to the source of the data at the time you need it, instead of pre-processing. And there are a lot of different ways to talk about this stuff, but I think the idea of pre-processing and batch versus on-demand processing and real-time is a great way to just summarize one of the things we're most excited about. With pre-processing, you go to all of your sources of data, you pull them in, you run your math, you run your computation, and you wind up with a data set that you're able to then cache in a feature store and use in an application context. We think, we've seen, you mentioned Google. I was lucky to work at Google for a bunch of years, and Google talks about speed as a feature. When things are faster, people search more, they click on more ads, and it's more magical. Everything gets better. And we think that applies to every possible application, both for businesses and consumers. So what we're helping people do, a lot of people say, okay, so what I need is a feature store. Chalk has a feature store. We think of that as just a data cache. It's useful. Right. But what if you didn't have to cache the data? What if you could go to the source and pull it on demand so it's super fresh, and you still can do some math, some computation in real time? And people say, that's not possible. My data science team is writing Python. I only have 10 or 100 milliseconds. I can't possibly go to the data source in context at inference time. And we say, want to try it? Yeah. And honestly, Alex, basically everyone who does a pilot with us winds up buying the software. So we know not everybody knows about us, although now that we're talking, I guess everyone's going to know. Not everyone thinks of us when they have problems we'd be really good at. But we're really proud that when people do find out when they try the software, they really think about a different architecture for their applications and their business.
Mark, an absolute pleasure. I never thought I'd have this much fun talking about data pipelines, but you made it an absolute treat. So thank you much. And I always ask these two questions. One, where can people find the company if they want to? And two, what's a role you're looking to hire for where you're struggling to find the right candidate?
Thank you so much. Well, we're based in San Francisco. We also just moved to our second office in New York. We're growing. So we work together in person every day and would love to have you here to join us or just to visit us. And of course, at chalk.ai, just if you want to learn a bit more. We're hiring for everything. Obviously, we always want incredible engineers. It is the core of our company. And we're always expanding our sales and go-to-market team. And so even if you're just starting out and want to be an SDR, we'd love to have you spread the word. Or if you want to help write some code on some really technical problems, we'd love to help you build out our engine.